వెల్కమ్ టు ఐక్యూ ఆప్షన్ తెలుగు. ఇంతవరకు నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. అలాగే నా వీడియోస్ నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ట్రేడింగ్. ద పేర్ ఈస్ USD/CAD. Right now the market is at the level, just crossed the level. I think this is not a good market. I think it's a lot of rejection, a lot of low volume, lot of dojis, but try to do a trade. The level, major trend is uptrend, the minor is downtrend. Okay, I go with buyers because of the previous candle, also buyers entry. At this area we accept some buyers. This is the right moment at the place. Okay, again I am expecting buyers at this level. Strong buyers rejection. From this level I am expecting sellers. Okay, very strong sellers. This area still buyers are active, but wait for the right moment to place a trade. I think the next level is here. Waiting buyers entry, buyers rejection. Okay, sellers. This from this level I am expecting again buyer's entry. Let's check. Okay, buyer's entered. From this level again, wait for this market is very slow market. Buyers and sellers are very late entering very late. Okay, good. Okay, this is my first trade. I took this trade and at the level, just cross the level. I'm taking this call. This is the previous level. I expecting buyer's entry from here. I won this trade, and this is my second trade. Because of this strong bullish momentum, again I took call here. I won this trade again, and this one is my third trade. This reversal hammer is a sign of reversal at the trend line and the seller's area, and this one also I won this trade. This is my third trade, and this is my fourth trade. This is the level. This one is at the level. Previously this one is a very strong level here, that's why I took again call here. I won this trade also. This is my fourth trade. No need to trade every candle. Just wait for a right moment and a right candle, and just try to trade a confident trades. Okay, thank you.